Barton, MacLean, 21 years old from Drayton Valley, Alberta, born and raised. I read a 2016 Street Bob. It's awesome. I love it. Watched all the Unknown Industries guys, kind of got me into it. Used to ride dirt bikes, so that got me into it big time. Got into the crotch rockets, did a couple catwalks from there, and then graduated to a Harley. Have fun with it, don't crash. Definitely like to convert it over to like a chain drive, maybe more power for sure. You know, thanks at Depthified and Gasoline Alley for all the love and support. Right on.